Hello everyone. In this video I will tell and show you how to use Melbet promo code and get a bonus of up to $150. The bonus is only available to new players. If you are registered, this bonus is not for you. In order to use the bonus, you need to go to the 1xBet website, the link you can find in the attached comment. Click on register in the upper right hand corner of the site. After that, choose a convenient way to register. I'll choose one-click registration to speed up the process. Choose your country, and convenient for you currency. And enter in the box promo code, ML_10600 as I do it in the video. And press register. All. After that you can choose convenient for you method of refilling and get the maximum bonus. If you have any questions after watching the video, write in the comments and I'll answer you. Good luck!